In the beginning, there was nothing until the Big Bang ignited the birth of the universe. From a singularity, an explosion of unimaginable energy set the foundation for everything we see today. The fundamental forces, gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces, emerged, shaping the universe's evolution. Atoms of hydrogen and helium, the simplest elements, formed as the universe cooled. These gases collapsed under gravity to create the first stars, igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, the building blocks of planets and life itself. As gravity pulled matter together, the first galaxies were born, each a collection of billions of stars orbiting a massive black hole. Our Milky Way formed around 13.6 billion years ago, a spiral galaxy home to countless solar systems. Around 4.6 billion years ago, a massive cloud of gas and dust collapsed under gravity, forming our sun. The remaining material clumped together to create planets, asteroids, and moons. Earth's formation was violent: molten rock, intense radiation, and constant collisions. But out of this chaos came order, as Earth's atmosphere and oceans took shape. Earth's early atmosphere was a mix of hydrogen, methane, ammonia, and water vapor. Lightning and volcanic activity triggered complex chemical reactions, leading to the formation of amino acids, the building blocks of life. The oceans became a laboratory for chemistry, where simple organic molecules gradually evolved into self-replicating RNA, the precursor to DNA. Plate tectonics shaped continents, creating environments for different forms of life to emerge. The interplay of physics and chemistry governed Earth's climate, from the greenhouse effect that kept early Earth warm to the ice ages that tested life's resilience. Life evolved in incredible ways. The Cambrian explosion saw the emergence of bizarre creatures like Anomalocaris, a giant predatory arthropod, and Hallucigenia, a worm-like creature with spines. As time passed, fish developed into amphibians, and amphibians evolved into reptiles. The age of dinosaurs began, giving rise to giants like the T-Rex and the Brachiosaurus. But not all creatures survived. The Great Dying, the Permian-Triassic extinction, wiped out over 90% of marine species. And later, a massive asteroid impact led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. The human journey began in Africa over 300,000 years ago. Early humans were hunter-gatherers, but their ability to adapt set them apart. The discovery of fire, the development of tools, and the creation of language allowed humans to thrive. Civilizations like Mesopotamia, Egypt, and the Indus Valley flourished. The Industrial Revolution changed everything, transforming societies and setting the stage for the modern world. Science gives us facts, but myths and ancient wisdom offer meaning. Science and financial success go hand in hand. The greatest minds, Einstein's theories, Tesla's innovations, and Jobs' vision, shaped the world. But they weren't just thinkers, they were doers. The same principles that built the universe, energy, transformation, and persistence, are the same principles that build empires. The key to success? Adaptability and a vision beyond the present. The universe constantly evolves, and so must we. In the next century, humans may colonize Mars, AI may redefine intelligence, and new financial systems may emerge. The question is, will you evolve with it? Your journey mirrors that of the cosmos. Small beginnings, constant growth, and infinite possibilities. Remember, you are made of stardust, and like the stars, you are destined to shine. As we push the boundaries of progress, the risks we face grow equally significant. Scientists around the globe warn that humanity's future hinges on how we handle global crises. Here are 3 scientifically backed doomsday scenarios that could reshape or end life as we know it. The Earth is heating up at an unprecedented rate. Since the Industrial Revolution, global temperatures have risen by approximately 1.2 degrees Celsius. Scientists predict that if we cross the 1.5 degrees Celsius threshold, likely within the next 10 to 20 years, we'll face irreversible damage. Melting polar ice will raise sea levels by over 1 meter by 2100, flooding coastal cities. More heat means stronger hurricanes, longer droughts, food crises, and mass migrations. We are entering the era of artificial general intelligence, AGI. Autonomous weapons, biased decision systems, and mass job displacement are early warning signs. The danger isn't in evil robots, but in systems pursuing their goals at the expense of humanity. Once AGI exists, it could self-improve at exponential rates, known as an intelligence explosion, potentially happening within the next few decades. With over 12,000 nuclear warheads globally, a large-scale war could trigger nuclear winter, blocking sunlight for years and collapsing food systems. Tensions among nations like the US, Russia, China, and North Korea heighten this risk. Meanwhile, near-Earth objects, NEOs, like asteroids over 1 kilometer wide, could cause mass extinction if they hit. NASA's DART mission proved we can redirect asteroids, but thousands go untracked. In the far future, 5 billion years from now, the sun will expand into a red giant, incinerating Earth in the process. These threats aren't science fiction. They are supported by real data, respected scientists, and historical precedent. But we are not powerless. Humanity has always risen to face challenges. We must channel our intelligence, empathy, and innovation, not just to survive, but to thrive. Whether it's climate, technology, or cosmic forces, our fate is still in our hands.